Usually, type 1 diabetes is caused when our pancreas stops producing the insulin. Type 2 diabetes is caused during the period of adulthood due to the unhealthy lifestyle and obesity. Did you know that both types of diabetes have a strong genetic link? If you are suffering from diabetes, then it's necessary that you should follow a healthy diet. You should exercise regularly and maintain a level of sugar by taking supplements and herbal remedies. Some of the important symptoms of diabetes are frequent urination, excessive thirst, extreme hunger, unusual weight loss, increased fatigue, irritability, blurry vision, leg pain, and a dry mouth. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do so by clicking on the subscribe button and tap the bell notification icon to be notified of any future videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description below for our #1 recommended product for curing type 1 diabetes naturally. Here are 10 ways to manage diabetes naturally. Number 1. Exercise regularly. Exercise improves blood glucose control, reduces cardiovascular risk factors, contributes to weight loss, and improves overall well-being. Regular exercise has considerable health benefits for people living with type 1 diabetes. Number 2. Eat plenty of fresh fruit and vegetables. Vegetables and fruits have excellent fiber content. Vegetables also support improved levels of healthy cholesterol and lower blood pressure. As with protein, fiber can make people feel fuller for longer. Number 3. Obesity. While recent research suggests that people who are obese are up to 80 times more likely to develop type 2 diabetes, obesity is one of the important causes of diabetes, so you should always try and lose your weight. Number 4. Drink lemon water daily every morning. Lemon water may not directly impact your blood sugar levels and cause it to come down, but it can surely help prevent untimely spikes. This easy to make beverage is very low in carbohydrates and calories and keeps you hydrated, which is very essential for diabetics to ensure. Number 5. Fenugreek. Soak the seed of fenugreek overnight and take it in an empty stomach early in the morning. You can also use fenugreek leaves in cooking in order to cure diabetes. Number 6. Chew sweet neem leaves. Neem has been an integral part of Indian and Chinese medicine. Almost all parts of the neem tree, from leaves, flowers, seeds, fruits, roots, and the bark, have been used traditionally for inflammation. Neem leaf powder was found to control diabetic symptoms on non-insulin dependent male diabetics too. Number 7. Eating a gooseberry or amla. Amla is loaded with chromium, which aids in reducing bad cholesterol and also helps stimulate insulin production, thereby reducing the blood glucose level of diabetics. Drinking amla juice early every morning or when one's blood pressure is raised helps keep the blood pressure level under control. Number 8. Blackberries. You can also take this seed by making its powder. It is very much effective in controlling the diabetes. Blackberry contains chemicals that might have antioxidant effects. It also contains chemicals that might protect against cancer. Number 9. Bitter gourd, which is known as garela. You can also drink the juice of garela in order to check the levels of diabetes. It easily reduces the level of blood sugar in blood as well as urine. Bitter gourd contains an insulin-like compound called polypeptide P or P-insulin, which has been shown to control diabetes naturally. These substances either work individually or together to help reduce blood sugar levels. Number 10. Garlic on an empty stomach. Garlic is known to increase the amount of insulin released and regulates blood sugar levels. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that garlic was highly effective in increasing one's insulin content in the body and improved glucose tolerance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified of any future videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description below for our #1 recommended product on how to heal diabetes naturally.